Okay. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Alam Mirtazwar, Diploma of Computing Department in Information Technology. Currently working as an intern in COMNET UNISEL. And our today's topic of event is WordPress blog. So our director of COMNET, Sir Izwan Shuhadak Ishak, has sent us a welcoming speech for our WordPress event. We will start with that.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Thank you very much to the organizer and our beloved instructor, Mr. Tazwalam, and all of our participants. Thank you very much to join this event. First of all, I would like to thanks very much to our brother Mr. Tazwa, give a beautiful idea and organize a very good event to make sure we can do a lot of technology to make it easy to our community. So I hope this event using WordPress can be useful, especially for our all participants. Maybe suitable for our businessman or maybe student, the beginner, the newbie to the technology. So of course now we are in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where information is not only at your fingertip but all about our life. Online purchasing, payment using a wallet, digital marketing are widely used. So make sure you take this opportunity and learn WordPress. And in COMNET, Center for Community Engagement, we are encouraged to do some community education focusing on the digital literacy. So I hope this event can give you some overview of how to use WordPress. So inshallah, enjoy your learning, and we see you again in next time. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. All right. So we need to know what is WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. Features include a plugin architecture, template system. WordPress as a software is free for you to download and use. However, to use WordPress on the web, you'll need to WordPress hosting. You can use WordPress.com to create a free blog. So what is a blog? A blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web consisting of discrete, often informal diary-style text entries. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order so that the most recent post appears first at the top of the web page. Why do you need a blog for your business? Blogs are meant to facilitate a specific action you want a user to take in relation to your business objectives. They help to improve relationships with viewers, intelligence about your business, and the success of your marketing campaigns. Try using one in your next campaign and see for yourself. Blog types and contents. Blogs are a form of advertisement. Unlike your business website, the primary purpose of a blog is to share topics or services in the online world. There are different kinds of blogs. For example, personal blogs, business, personal brand, fashion, lifestyle, travel, food, affiliate. Our fashion blog. So we will design a basic fashion blog. This is the cover image that every page will present, thus it should be related to the category of the business blog. Pages and menu bar. Normally, blogs should be simple and convenient. Thus, we will design 2 pages for today, and you can add more yourself after you get the idea. The 2 pages in the menu bar will be design of blog and about and portfolio. Latest blog post in homepage. In our blog, we will have the latest post automatically on top of the page once published with a clean design. And these are the settings we will follow for the blog post block. We'll explain that later on. Fixed background. In the center here, we will have a fixed background image, which we can scroll through with a tagline of fashion. Videos in our blog. We can put any videos for our blog from YouTube. We used some brand videos in our blog as an example. We have to do is just put the video link in preview mode, which shall be explained as well while designing the blog. Feedback/contact us form. At the bottom of the page, we will put a feedback form where the viewers can send us their opinions or any kind of queries straight to our blog email. The second page we have is about and portfolio. You can separate this page in 2 menus, but we used a single page for a simple and cleaner blog, optional. In this page, we have something about the blog owner and things about fashion. After that, we have portfolio to showcase the blog collection or products presentation. This is our fashion portfolio after the simple about section. A fashion design portfolio is a collection of samples put together by a fashion designer to show off his or her skills. So let's head to our blog using WordPress. Someone is playing some sort of stuff. Can you please mute? Okay, thank you. All right, let's go to WordPress.com. That's where we start from, the very beginning. I'm going to show you how to create an account in WordPress as well. I already have one, so I'll just log out to show you guys. All right, so once you're in WordPress site, you'll see the Get Started option here. Just click on Get Started. You can put your email, choose a username, and choose a password, and you can just create your account. Or you have the option to continue with Google, or you can use your Apple ID as well. So I'll just log into my account for now. Who is this playing some sort of music? I'll mute him. Okay. Okay, so once you're in your WordPress website, what you're going to do is create a page. So before we do that, I'm going to show you what we are going to design today. So this is the blog that we'll be designing and learning how to develop. So we have a menu bar with two options, which is about and portfolio. The other one is blog. Then we have the cover image with the title. Then we have the tagline. Here is another title, which is the latest posts. Any post we make is going to be on top right here. So these are the last 3 posts I made in this blog, fashion blog. After that, we have a cover image, the fixed background cover image of fashion. So when you scroll, you can see how decent it looks. Then we have a tagline, or that you call slogan, any slogan about fashion. Then we have a YouTube video that we just put in our site. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. You can put your own videos as well of your own contents. And in the bottom, we have the contact form, which is basically for feedbacks. So if the viewers visit your blog, they can leave a response to your email. So this is the blog page, and the other one is about and portfolio. Here in About and Portfolio, we write something about the owner of the blog and something about fashion, because that's our topic today. And then we have a portfolio. As you can see, we showcased our gallery of fashion because it's a fashion blog. A portfolio is like the presence of a fashion blog. So we need a portfolio for sure. And this you see here is a media and text. So let's get started with the designing part here. So once you create your WordPress account, just click on Add New Site here. Okay, so the first thing is my site is called, it's the name of your blog. So I'm gonna name it something like Fashion Blog, Fashion of the Rich 2022. Okay, click on Continue. Then we have the option for choosing a domain. So today we'll be learning how to design a free one. So this is the name we are gonna have, Fashion of the Rich 2022.wordpress.com. If you want to get rid of the WordPress tagline here, then you have to pay. But for now, we're gonna choose the free one. Choose the free one and click on Continue. Now we have a design that we can choose, but for now, I'll just start from a blank canvas. Start from scratch. Which features will you need? I'm gonna skip that as well because we're gonna design that later. And this is the domain part here again. So just choose the free one. So you'll have a 3 GB of storage space and few features as well. So our site is being built. So when we click on our web page here, we can see like it's empty right now. That's what we're gonna design today. So just click on appearance first. We're gonna have to choose a theme. So for blogs, I prefer to use Lodestar. So once you go to themes, search here for Lodestar. It's a very decent looking blog theme for free. You don't need to pay for it. So I prefer this one. Select and click on activate this design. All right, so the theme has been activated already. Now we're going to customize. It's gonna take a few seconds because it's building the theme. All right, so the first things that we have is here a cover image, the title, and we can also put a logo here. So let's start from the very beginning, which is the site identity. So if you have any kind of logo of your own blog or business, you can put it here, but I'm gonna skip that for now because I don't have any logo. Then we have the site title, which is the business name or the blog name. Then you can put a tagline or a slogan of your own. So for example, Fashion 2022 with class. Okay. And here's the site icon, which is basically the same as the logo that you're gonna use. And I'm gonna change the font as well of the title. So let's just save this first. I'm gonna change the font and the background image here. So to change the background image, you're going to go to header image here. Header image and add new image. So any picture you have for your cover, just use it. So I'll be using a fashion photo because our blog is of fashion. Just upload and wait for it to be uploaded. Click on select and crop. So I'm going to resize the cover a little bit. You can resize it with your own size. Basically custom size. So, okay, this should be good. And click crop image. Okay, so now we have our fashion cover, blog cover. Let's save the changes. And we're going to change the font of our heading. So this is basically the heading here. So I'll change the heading with this font. Okay, now it looks much better. Let's save. Okay, so what else do we have here? Okay, so I guess so far we are done here, which is the cover, the title, and the tagline. Okay, now let's go design the page. So get back to WordPress and search for pages here. Click on pages and you'll see the home page here, which is untitled because we didn't name it yet. Click on the three dots and edit. So this page is going to be blog. So I'll select blank page. I don't want any templates yet, so I'll just select the blank one. So the title here is the name of the page. I'm going to name it blog. Okay, and update. Okay, just to refer with the previous design, I'm going to open up the previous one. Fashion is class. Okay, so this is the design we're going to be developing. Okay, there we have a paragraph, which is latest post, or the title, you can say. So we're gonna write latest posts. The alignment is in center. So click on the three lines here, change the alignment to center, align text center. We're gonna change the size to 42. You can make it bold if you want, or you can also make it italic, but I guess I'm gonna just keep it bold. Yeah. And then we have the post, the latest blog post. So to do so, press enter and the plus button should pop up here. And we have to add a spacer. So as you can see, there's a gap between the post and the paragraph, the title. So we have to use a spacer. Click on the add block here and search for spacer. Change the size to 20 pixels. Px. All right. And then we're going to add the blog posts. There you go. Okay, so we saw some settings back in the PowerPoint slides that we are going to follow. So these are the settings. So I'll just minimize to show you guys. Okay. All right, so we have wide width. This one is the width section here. So select wide width. Then we have grid view, which is this one. Grid view, then show media behind, which is gonna be here. Select this one, show media behind. Then portrait image shape. This is the portrait image shape. So basically these settings are to design something like this top posts here. All right, so portrait image shape, and then number of items is gonna be here on the right, on the block section here. So it's already 3 columns. Columns, number of items here. Columns is also set to 3. Show featured image, it's on. Minimum height, it's set to 0. We have to set it to 80. Okay. Because sometimes it might bug. WordPress needs to fix this, but yeah, it's gonna fix automatically. Okay, minimum height set to 80. Show excerpt, it's on. Type scale is set to 4. Set it to 3. Set it to 3. Then max number of words is gonna be 10. All right. So these are the settings for blog posts. to design something like this. Okay, what do we have next? Let's make sure you update every time you change the settings, or else you'll have to do it again. Okay, so our blog post is already designed. Then we have a cover image with a fixed background. So remember, we have to use a spacer after each block. So add a spacer, change the size to 20px, 21 is fine as well. And then add the cover image. All right, the cover is already uploaded. Now change the width to full width. And we're gonna upload the cover. It was somewhere here, there. All right, let's get rid of the title here. We don't need the title. So just click on the three dots, remove block. And there you go. Our cover is there. It seems like it's a little bit too dark. We have to change the opacity. Select on the cover and make it fixed background. Turn this on. So when you scroll, you can see the background is fixed. And the opacity should be 0. Okay, now it's clear. I'll change the size a bit smaller. Okay, this should be good. Okay, that's how it's gonna look like after we publish the site. Then we have a paragraph, or what you call the title of fashion slogan. So I'll just copy this. Always remember to add a spacer. Change the size. And add the title. Align it to center. Change the size. Make it, I guess I'm gonna make it 36. And you can make it italic if you want, because it's a slogan, so it looks nice. Then we have the YouTube video here. So you can put your own YouTube videos or your contents. So I'll show you how it's done. After the title, add a spacer again. Change the size. And add and search for HTML, custom HTML there. So in custom HTML, you're gonna copy your YouTube video link. So I'll just head to YouTube. And fashion, something about fashion. So for example, if this is your video, I'll just copy the link. Okay. From here. And paste it here. And make sure once you paste the link, select the preview option. Okay, and update. All right, so we already added the video. This is how simple it is. And after that, we have the cover image and a contact form, which is the feedback form basically. So add one more spacer and the cover image plus button right here and cover there. Change the width to full width. Upload. Okay. I'm gonna select this picture here as a cover. And the title is here. So you can write something. You cannot see it's in black right now. So we're gonna change the color as well. So just select the text or the title here and select color. Change it to white. Okay, we want to move the background. Focal point here. All right. And the title alignment is gonna be on left. You can put it anywhere you want. So I prefer on the left. I'm gonna change the opacity. I'll keep it 20 and change the size as well. All right. Okay, we forgot something here. We want to write, we want to put a spacer here. We forgot a spacer. So just click on the ad block and add a spacer there. Always use a spacer after each block. All right. After this, add a spacer again. And now is the feedback form. So we're going to use a contact form here. There, this one, contact form. This form is already linked with your WordPress email, so you can customize your link for the viewers. So just click on this button here, and you can write your own email wherever the feedback is going to go. So the blog page has already been designed, and let's update. Let's view our page. Okay, so as you can see, the latest posts, it's empty right now because we didn't make any post yet. So we'll post some stuff soon. Then we have the cover image, the slogan, the YouTube video that we just pasted, and the feedback form. Here, the viewers can just fill up any kind of response or queries they have. Okay, so let's make some posts. So to do so, go back to WordPress and click on here, right. All right, so this is our post page. So I'm gonna just post the previous post I made. So this is the previous blog post I just made. So I'll copy from here. You can post your own stuff as well of your own content. So this is the title. Then we write something about the post. So I'm just copying it for now, just to show you how it's done. Press enter. All right, so we have 3 paragraphs, and this one is the title here. And then we are going to post the fashion photos. So to do so, we are going to use a gallery. Click on ad block, search for gallery. There. Okay, and you can use a wide width. Full width is too big, so I prefer wide width. And upload the photos that you want to post. Okay, so our post is ready. The title, the paragraphs, I mean the about section here, and the gallery. Now make sure you choose a featured image, because that's going to show as a thumbnail once we publish. So go to post here and search for featured image. Here, this is the featured image here. Click on set featured image, media library, and choose the post photo. Insert and click on publish. All right, so our post has been published. Let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, the title, the about section, the paragraph, and the gallery that we just posted. Now let's go back to our blog page and see the design there. So this is the only post we made in this blog. It's showing on the top. Any post you make is going to be on the top left here, the latest post. That's why it's latest posts. We're going to make 2 more posts just to show the full design. There's going to be 3 posts here. We'll post a few more stuff. So I'll just copy the titles and stuff for the post. Press enter, plus button, and the gallery. Change the width to wide, upload. WordPress is kind of very simple, so you can learn it easily. Okay, so our post is ready again. Just we have to set the featured image. And publish. All right, we're gonna create one more post. Go back to WordPress and then click on write. So basically, I'm just copying my previous posts, so it's faster. You can post your own contents. Add the title. The paragraph. Press enter to add a new block for paragraph. We have 3 blocks here, 1, 2, 3. So we have to create blocks. Just something's missing here. And wait. All right, press enter. Copying this. And the third block. And on the end, we have the gallery. And don't forget to use a wide width. This theme is adjusted with wide width, so I prefer wide width. Set the featured image. And publish. So let's view our post. This is the cover, the title of our blog, and then we have the post, the gallery, and the paragraph here. Anything about the post you want to make. So, okay, we made 3 posts already. Let's see our blog. All right. So as you can see, we already made 3 posts. And the latest one is always on top left. And this one's the first one, second, and third. Okay, so our blog page is already designed, simple as that. And we're going to add one more page here, which is about and portfolio. So go back to WordPress and go to pages, add new. We're going to start from a blank page again and set the title to your page name, about and portfolio. And then I'll just show the previous design again to link, to refer. Okay, there, fashion is class. Okay, this is the page that we are going to design. So here we have the media and text. I'll just copy the title. All right, it's already set here, about and portfolio. Then we have the media and text. So just add media and text there. Upload the media. So here I'm gonna write something about the owner of the blog. So I'll post the picture of the owner, just examples, right? So fashion photos. Okay, this is the owner. All right, the picture has been uploaded. Now in the content, the title. So owner of fashion blog, Christina Everly. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this again and paste there in the content section. So this whole thing is media and text. The size seems to be too big. I'll change it to 20. Okay, 20 is better. After that, we have something about her and the history of her business. So I'm going to copy that as well. Enter, paste. Okay, we're going to adjust the size by turning this on. Crop image to fill entire column. Okay, there. So what do we have later? We have one more media and text with the media on the right and something about fashion. Okay, so I'll just copy this as well. So we can just duplicate this thing just by clicking on the three dots here and duplicate. All right, so here we can see the media is on the right. So to do that, click here, show media on right. And we're gonna replace the image by clicking on replace, open media library. No, we have to upload. We have to upload the new picture. So replace, upload here. I'll use this as the second picture. Choose the focus point, and we're gonna copy the details as well. You can put your own contents. And then we have our portfolio, which is one of the most important thing in a blog. So let's design the portfolio now. Remember to use the spacer again, because we just finished a block. Use a spacer. I'll keep it 50. Okay, 50. And then we're gonna add the portfolio. So I prefer using tiled gallery for portfolios. Okay, we forgot the title here. We have to create a title. So after this block, we have the spacer. Click on the three dots, insert after, and write portfolio. Change the alignment to center, the size to 36 or maybe 42. Okay. And then we have the tiled gallery. I'm going to use full width for the portfolio here. And let's upload our photos, our fashion photos. It's gonna be automatically adjusted. Before you upload, remember to select this option here, tiled columns. This is bugging. It bugs sometimes. It's some sort of WordPress issue. But yeah, we're gonna ignore that for now and upload. All right. So now let's just wait for the pictures to be uploaded. As you can see, the pictures are automatically aligned and the columns are automatically aligned as well. This is the feature of tiled columns. So after it's uploaded, this is how it's going to look like. Design, portfolio, the media and text, and the cover image here. It's taking a bit time because of the internet, and the pictures are kind of high quality. So just waiting for it to upload, then we can publish. You can add more media and text if you want, but just to show you how it's done, we added only 2. You can add more about, more stuff, just to give you the basic idea. Like if we publish before it's uploaded, it's not gonna show up proper. So we just have to be patient here. You can upload stuff as long as it's less than 3 GB because it's a free blog. After that, you have to pay if you want to continue with more storage and more features as well. But for a free blog, this is quite decent. 3 GB is enough. So let's just try and publish the page. So as you can see, there's an update option here because these pictures are not still uploaded. Let's try and view our page, how it looks. We have the cover, title, media, and text. And as you can see, it's empty right now because it's still uploading. Okay, finally, one done. So once it's done, I'm gonna go all over again with short and simple about the ideas for a blog. Okay, so the page is this one, 2022. This. Okay, cover, title, tagline, latest posts, thumbnails, cover image, then slogan, YouTube video or YouTube content, then the feedback form for the viewers, and the other page is about and portfolio, media text, portfolio. Okay, so far this is how much it's been uploaded. So basically that's how you design a simple blog using WordPress. That's all for today, and we'll continue with the other events as well from tomorrow. Thank you everyone for participating.